Okay, so now that our table base kit is fully assembled, we're ready to go ahead and start cutting the pieces for our top rail. We're gonna be using the 4x1 true stock from Osborne. This is part 39641. This is the 96-inch version, and you can also reference the cut list if you're interested in creating something similar. Okay, so here's our mitered rail cut to the proper dimensions. So we're gonna go ahead and glue these miters up and treat it like a tabletop, and then once everything is dry, we can just take our table base kit and set it on top of this rail. Okay, so here we have our top rails, and I have the bottom side facing up. I'm gonna show you really quickly how we're going to install our game playing surface. Now what we're gonna do is allow our playing surface to float inside of our rail system. It's a nice snug fit since this is the exact size of our plywood surface that we just wrapped. And I want to be able to add a different top end if I want to turn this back into a regular dining table. Now what we've done is cut the rest of our 4x1 true stock from Osborne into these 15-inch pieces that we can attach here. And that allows us to set our playing surface on these and give it some support and be able to remove it if we want to add a different top as well. We are going to be using a longer 1 3/4 screw. So I am going to go ahead and just pre-drill to ensure that I'm not going to split or crack any of that wood. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate how this top system is going to work. So you can see this is the top of my rail. So all I have to do is just insert my playing surface, and that's just floating there. It's a nice tight fit, and I think it's a really good presentation.